Kunjali Marakkar was the title inherited by the admiral of the fleet of the Samoothiri Zamorin, the king of Kozhikode Calicut, in present-day Kerala, India. There were 4 Kunjali Marakkars whose war tactics defended against a Portuguese invasion from 1520 to 1600. The Kunjali Marakkars are credited with organizing the first naval defense of the Indian coast. The title of Marakkar was given by the Zamorin. It may have been derived from the Malayalam language word Marakkalam meaning boat, and kar, a termination, showing possession. The 4 Kunjali Marakkars and their tenure. According to tradition, the Kunjali Marakkars were coming from Arabia. But they shifted their trade to Kochi and then migrated to Panani in the Zamorin's dominion when the Portuguese fleets came to Kingdom of Cochin. They offered their men, ships and wealth against a Portuguese to the Zamorin of Calicut. The king took them into his service and eventually they became the admirals of his fleet. Another version suggests that they were merchants of Cairo, Egypt who settled in Kozhikode and joined the Samoothiri's navy. The Portuguese initially attempted to obtain trading privileges in 1498 but soon had troubles because of the pressure from the Muslim Arabs over the Zamorin, since they had traditionally been trading in his ports and did not want to lose the monopoly in trading spices. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.